Hello YouTube. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in our digital world, AI-generated content on YouTube. Yes, you've likely encountered it in the last year, and today we're going to explore what this means for creators, viewers, and the platform itself.
Yeah, I'll be right there, Steve. Hey, what's up, TikTok? Look, I do a lot of my own stunts, but I also do a lot of industrial cleanup, okay? It's important. So, obviously you keep your hands clean, but you need that exfoliating product to really cut through the grime. Okay, just another tip for you talkers, or the tip...
It's a bit scary, isn't it? You might not have even realized the extent of AI's involvement in the content you watch. No one wants a world where rule breakers aren't held accountable, right? Well, YouTube is stepping up to take action on AI content, and it's happening fast. Let's dive into YouTube's first draft of how they plan to manage AI content moving forward. Here's the blog post from YouTube. I highly recommend reading it. Links in the description below. As we all know, YouTube has policies to protect everyone involved, but the rapid AI development has changed the game. The creative barriers are lower, and content production is faster than ever. YouTube's existing policies mentioned AI, but they weren't quite up to today's standards. So, big changes are coming in 2024. But don't panic, keep exploring AI in your content, but be ready for these upcoming changes. Here's what's new. YouTube will soon require creators to disclose if their content is AI generated, altered, or synthetic. This includes using AI tools for creating or editing content. It's all about transparency. I know you have questions. Will AI content be monetizable? What about shadow banning? Should you stop using AI tools? Don't worry, it doesn't mean any of that. But let's dig deeper to understand why. YouTube provided mockups showing how AI content will be disclosed. For shorts, there'll be alerts in the description and on the video player. Long-form videos will likely have a notification similar to the includes paid promotion tag. Remember, YouTube isn't against AI. It even has its own AI tools. The platform needs to set guidelines for appropriate AI use, especially when it comes to sensitive topics like elections or public health crises. Take this AI impersonation of Tom Cruise. Does it need an AI alert? Maybe. But what about clearly AI-generated content? That's where the new policies come in, targeting channels that exploit AI for quick gains. YouTube's also protecting creators. Soon you'll be able to request removal of AI-generated content that mimics you too closely. Privacy is a big deal, and YouTube's taking it seriously. So, what's next? Creators, you need to disclose your AI usage. It could be a simple checkbox or something more, and honesty is key here. If you're not transparent, there could be consequences. Education is crucial, so stay informed and subscribe for more updates. I know you have questions, so drop them in the comments. YouTube's watching, and your feedback could shape these new policies. And if you're curious about our journey with an AI channel, check out our epic story right here. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.